Okay, it's the night before I leave for Thunder Hill, and I'm excited. I'm stoked, I'm pumped, I'm jacked, I'm ready to go. I'm pulling all my gear together to get it into the car so when I finish with my day job tomorrow, I can hit the road. Waze says I've got nearly 700 miles and 10 hours of driving, so I want to get going as soon as possible. I can't wait to get down there and get on the track. And I'm sure my family can't wait for me to go. I might be making them a little crazy. Did I tell you I'm excited to go to Thunder Hill?
Yes. Yeah.
Did we tell you how excited we are for you at this point?
No, you haven't.
Yeah, because
We're no longer excited for you.
I've already shipped my Aspira AV5s with a brand new set of Hoosiers on them over a week ago. The last time I went to Thunder Hill, I shipped my track wheels down and it was easy peasy. I arrived at the hotel, put them on, spent 2 days having a blast on the 3-mile course, and then changed to my streets and shipped my track wheels home. And I didn't have to inhale all the fumes coming off the tires over a 10-hour drive. They're bad enough at room temperature and downright toxic after a day on the track. Simple, easy. That was long before the pandemic and all the shipping issues we've been dealing with. So I'm really hoping they make it in time. If they don't, I'll be using my street tires, a set of Continentals that perform well on the highways and byways of the Pacific Northwest. On the track, however, not so much. It'll be highly unlikely I'll be able to hit my lap time goal with the Contis. They just do not even come close to the grip that the Hoosiers have. Still, I'm sure I'm going to have a blast.